Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2785, that is sort vowels in a string. So we'll be given a zero index based string, permute s to give a new string t such that all consonants will be remaining in their original places, and the vowels must be sorted in non-decreasing order of their ASCII values. Okay, so what we have to return the resultant string. Okay, so let me just move towards the explanation. So the explanation of test cases so that you'll understand the question even more better. So in the first case, we are given L and then capital E, then small e, T, C, then capital O, then D, and then E. So what I have to do, I have to sort the vowels in this particular string based on their ASCII values. Okay, so we know that vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Similarly, in lowercase also. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to sort the vowels based on their ASCII values, no matter if they are uppercase or lowercase. But the uppercase will come obviously first because they are lower in their ASCII values. Okay, so in this we can see that we are resulting E, L, and then we don't have to change basically the position of consonant. So consonant's position will not be affected. That is, then E, L is at zeroth index only. E will remaining at zeroth index only because it comes before O even in the ASCII order. Then I am having a small e here. So small e's ASCII value is more than this O's ASCII value. So O will come first, then T and C will remain as it is. Then in place of O, I'll be adding an E because we can say that this both just get swapped, and then D will remain at its position and E will also remain at that position only because there is no change. Okay, so similarly in the next string we are given ly mph, so it does not contain any vowel, so we are just returning that string. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply use a two-pointer approach for this. So firstly, okay, let me just add a new board. Yeah, so here let me just explain you how we'll be approaching this question. What we'll be doing, we'll be creating a temp string that will be empty, and what we'll be doing, we'll be making a set of a, e, I, O, and then U, and similarly for these small letters A, E, I, O, and then U. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be traversing in for ch in s dot to char array, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be checking that if set okay, let me just name this vowels. Okay, we should improve with our naming conventions, so that if vowels dot contains ch, what I'll be doing, I'll be temp dot append and then ch. Okay, so by now we have created a string that contains all the vowels that are present in that particular string, a given string. So what we'll be doing after this, we'll be just sorting temp, and then I'll be using two pointers. So I'll be using initializing j equal to 0. So yeah, j will be equal to 0. Then for and I equal, okay, not I equal to 0 to I less than s dot length. What I'll be doing, that if my string j is equal to okay, sorry, vowels dot contains s at I, what I'll be doing, so basically this j pointer will be pointing in my temp string. Okay, so if vowels dot contains s of I, what I'll be doing, I'll be just simply setting that s of I will be equal to j of temp, and after that I'll be doing j plus plus. Okay, so this is how what I'll be approaching towards the question. Now let's move towards the coding window. So let's first have a set of let's say characters. Okay, sorry, characters, let's call it vowels, that will be equal to new hash set, and basically then okay, so here I'll be doing, I'll be doing set. You can also use a string also, that in that we can check that if index is greater than 0, but I am just greater than or equal to 0, but I am just using a simple hash set. Then set dot of a e I o, and then u, then again a e, sorry, e I o u. Then I'll be having a string builder. Let's call it temp, that will be equal to new string builder, and then that for char chn s dot to char array at if ch okay, vowels dot contains ch, what I'll be doing, temp dot append ch, and after that I'll be doing char because I have to sort the temp string, so I'll be using a character array for this. Temp array will be equal to new, will be basically, let's do just temp dot to string dot to char array, then just simply arrays dot sort temp array, no sorry, yeah, temp array, and then let's have a variable j equal to 0, then again for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, then if set dot set dot contains s dot char at I, what I'll be doing, temp dot set char at I comma temp array g, and after that just g plus plus, and at the end what I'll be doing, returning temp dot, oh okay, I guess I missed the thing, sorry. I'll be having a string builder t because I have to return a new string, a new string builder of s, because I have to modify the original string, so whether converting this string to a string builder or having a new string will make no effect. Okay, so then set temp dot char at t, and then j plus plus, then t dot to string. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, I guess okay, not characters, character basically, variable. Okay, I guess I use set vowels dot contains vowels. Okay, cannot find character u, and then okay, I forgot u. Now let's run it again. It says index out of bound. Okay, okay, sorry, t dot set char at I, sorry. And yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And yeah, and it works. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.